403, pause it if you need to. 404, again, pause it if you need to. And today's lesson, we're working on 9.6, which is essentially a mixture, a blend of yesterday's and the day before that's lesson. Okay, so all this means to us, trying to make sure you know what you're doing. All this means to us, I could have left that problem on the board. So yesterday we were 1/2 divided up into 4 was the question we did, right? We said, oh, okay, we're dividing up a part, a fraction, up into 4 people. This was the word problem. We put this over 1, keep, change, reciprocal, keep, change, flip, right? Numerator, numerator, denominator times denominator to get here. Okay? The day before that, the problem will look like 4 divided up into half. All right? So, where the whole numbers in the front. Wasn't much different. We put this over 1. Keep, change, reciprocal. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 over 1 is 8. Right? So, today's lesson, you're going to have to do both. So sometimes the whole number will be in the front. Sometimes the whole number will be in the back. Okay? You have to determine that. It's nothing crazy. It's the same kind of questions. If we look at 405, it says the Brown family is planting 1/3 of their garden with flowers, 1/3 with berries, and 1/3 with vegetables. The vegetables section has equal parts of carrots, onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Carrots, onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Carrots, onions, peppers, and tomatoes. That's 4. In that one section, what fraction of the garden is planted with carrots? So, here we are, and we're saying 1/3 vegetables, 1/3 berries, and 1/3 flowers. Within that vegetable section, we have 4 different things. So we have 1/3 section that's divided up into 4 different parts. Okay? What fraction of the garden is planted with carrots? What fraction of the whole garden? We know we got 4 parts in that section, but they want to know in the whole garden how much. What's the fraction of carrots to garden ratio? So we set it up like this. We already have 1/3 of the garden's vegetables. We're going to break that up into 4 parts. What do? Keep, change, flip. 1/3 times 1/4. Because remember, this is 4/1. And we get 1/12. They also refer to this section as dividing up unit fractions. Okay, you should know by now a unit fraction is 1 unit. It's always going to have a 1 in the numerator. So, in this case, when we have a fraction that's first, your answer is always going to have a 1 in the numerator as well. When we're dividing it up by a whole number, right? Because when we flip, it's going to put the 1, which was on the bottom, now on the top. And that's how we get the 1/12. And remember, my answer always has to be smaller than my original portion. Okay? Which is 1/12. So today is testing you on doing both. No different. Now, just like this first problem was this, it could be this as well. And you guys should know how to do this one, where the whole number's in the front. Okay? Whole number's in the front. 4/1, keep, change, flip. We're going to put 4/1 times, I don't know if I'm going off the board, 3/1 for a total of 12/1 or 12. Okay? Good luck today. Don't confuse yourself. It's pretty straightforward. And I'm on the screen. Have a blessed day.